Photoshop motion blur tutorial. First, select your image, but I want you to realize something here. My image does not have .jpeg extension, and this image will not be opened by Photoshop. So the accepted file format for Photoshop is JPEG, PNG, and GIF, but this is what .web. So the first thing I want you to do is to go to open with, then go to paint. Then once you open with paint, go straight to file, save as, then either PNG or JPEG. I love to work in PNG, in JPEG, so I'm going to save my file in JPEG. If you like, you can save yours in PNG, GIF, BIM, any other picture format is okay, but I prefer to save it in PNG for lesser storage occupation. Don't mind me. So you go straight to Photoshop, and then you go back to our picture and see where we saved it. It is over here, and then you just send it straight to our Photoshop, and that's we have uploaded our picture into the workspace of Photoshop. Now, what I want you to do is to grab your polygonal tools, other polygonal laser tool or magnetic lasso tool. I love using the magnetic lasso tool. Then select all the cars that you want them to experience motion blur. Select them. Select them. Use Control plus the mouse to zoom in to get better view and select them. Select as many or may have a lot of cars here. You can start practicing with only one car, and then maybe if you are confident and your level of experience goes high, you can do it with multi-cars as I am doing here. All right, so going to zoom in and perfect my selection. Let me add some selection at this point. So at this point, basically, I'm not doing anything strange. I'm only selecting. Yes. I'm just screening up. Nothing strange is happening here. Still trying to get the best of my selection. Okay. I left something here. I'm going to go for it. So we go to this end, select. Okay. So I have my cars selected. Now, what I want you to do is select mask. Okay. Select a mask. Then let's select the inverse. I click OK. Now, still on selection, I want you to copy via layer. Control J, you copy via layer. Then you have our selection stored. Let's see if it has been selected. Okay, that is good. That's exactly what I want us to achieve. All right. So the next thing we do is to save our file. So motion blur. That is cool. Then let's select the background and blur it. So go to filter, then go to blur, and go to motion blur. Let's decrease the angle small. Let's increase it. Click OK. Now we can see our cars are currently having what motion blur applied to them. Let's go to this section and let's add blurriness to the background. Motion blur, and let's increase the distance more, because when the car is moving, the background will be very bright if you are taking the picture from the window. Let's save it. Then you can see everything is what? Set. Everything is now set. So let's go back small, zoom back. Then you can see our motion blur has been what? Depicted, showing that these cars are what? In constant what? Motion. Meanwhile, the real picture speaks something else. But the red picture speaks something else. So this is all that we have about our motion blur tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe and then come back for more tutorials as we move along. Thank you.